Good morning and good evening to you, beautiful handsome beings out there. You know, I've been thinking it's about time that I get into the whole groove of the holiday season, get into the spirit of Halloween. And I decided that I wanted to be someone scary, something scary. This something is always around, always following you. It's in your hand. It's in your pocket. And some would say it's an unstoppable force. Who am I? What kind of game am I playing? I'm the infamous social media platform. Bookface. On Vintage Toys.
Now that's handy.
So, funny story, I was outside and I came across this sign. It says something about beware? Getting spooky. I mean, what could possibly be all that Uh-oh. It has been a long and strange journey, my friends. And I've got to say, it is one that has been a pleasure to do, but since we have run out of Halloween days, we're down to our last toy. But hey, don't fret. Dry your eyes, little ones. There are plenty of other McDonald's toys, and we will be tackling them in the upcoming months. So stick around. I just started cooking. It'd be a shame to leave before you see what I can do. That being said, time to open the last toy. While I snip, and we have some time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're just gonna dump it all out. Last toy. Let's be surprised. Now, you know what my favorite part of all these videos are? It's weird, but I love the rush opening up that toy and sharing that. It is so much fun, and it's so silly. Anyway, in that spirit, let's figure out what the body is. I'm keeping my eyes on the camera because I'm trying really hard not to see in my peripherals. I don't want to get spoiled. Alright. The body. Feels weird. Here we go. Ta-da! Wait a minute. Red shoes. A tie. McDonald's emblem. Only one way to find out. Come on. Headpiece. Come on, big money, big money! Yeah! That is Ronald McDonald. That is a Ronald head. What a great way to end the video! Can I just gush at the detail of the Ronald head? Every curve, every line looks exactly like a wig. Well, I mean, with the exception of it being hard, but still. Oh, you don't want to be scared on Halloween. Alright, so just a quick rundown of all the beautiful nuggies we met along the way. We have our first baby. Ooh. Don't forget about me, baby. We got the beautiful fairy princess. Oh, magic is all you need. We got ourselves a very surprised dragon. Ooh. Out of my swamp! The gang's all here. Spidey, Fairy, Dragon, and Shrek. And of course, the most important guest. You. Ah, this feels momentous. And fitting that this would be the last toy we end on. Alright, together, comrades. Let's see what this beautiful nuggie looks like. 3, 2, my 1! What a beauty! And with that, we complete the very last nuggie in this year's collection. Though I did hear a rumor that they made multiple years, so this might not be the last time we actually see these toys. So, with those final thoughts in mind, stay safe, have fun, being mischievous. And, I don't know, give in to whimsy once in a while. You never know what's gonna lead you. Till next time, comrades.
It's Halloween.
Ronald, why are the McNugget buddies so scared?
Because we're chicken. Oh, you don't want to be chicken on Halloween.
Yeah, you don't want to be a scaredy cat either.
What's coming up at McDonald's this Halloween? Ghoulish McNugget buddies with costumes you can rearrange, plus masks to give your face a change. You get one in each Happy Meal you buy. Now that's handy.